Hi guys, this is Barb's Kitchen, but today we won't be cooking anything because this is a very special video for all of you guys and for all the rest of our family members. This video and pictures is actually what happened to us last Sunday, a week ago. That was already a week ago now, so we'll never be able to forget that devastated event in our lives. But despite of that, there are just so many people who are able to extend help in so many ways to all the rest of our family members. And we would also like to extend our warmest appreciation to all of you who are with us in so many ways and in making our lives easier as we face the most difficult and tragic moments we barely imagined. We are trying to surpass the greatest waves and the perfect storm, and will soon reach the shore and rebuild our castles, not made of sand, but with the greatest foundation ever, a foundation of love and care. We all believe in the goodness and pureness of everybody's heart. There is still love and care we can find in humanity. We learn for sure that there is always positive, no matter how negative the situation is. We will surely write and publish these lessons as we traverse a colorful journey in the book of our lives. This is the greatest story we can tell our future generation. We are a piece of history as we experience this COVID-19 pandemic and lose homes in just a split of time. Homeless in times of pandemic, as we say, but life must go on and learn to stand up no matter how many times we stumble. We will fight till the end. The Abellana compound. We're all in this together. Hi guys! I am here sa among balay sa una. Look! Napay mga kaldero, ang among lutuanan, here, tanan. And our fridge. Oh my God! Galuoy! Ang fridge, guys, wala na. Oh, see, napay-gaasa mo itong apart. Oh my God, kakuyaw, ani. This used to be my parents' room. And this is our dining place. O, naka ang vase ni Mama na buak na. Niya among sala dito nga part, among dining room here, and katong nga part sa tumoy, that's our second sala. Ito among liguanan dito. My parents' room, napa ang bed. Uy, ang tab ni Mama! Napa yung tab! Nag-electric fan, among kabayo nga utawanan ng bed. Nandiyan mi atop. Muna mong dining area. Among ako computer. My goodness. Akong room. Hello, ang computer na ko. That used to be my Mac computer. Ako mga papers over there. Nasunog na siya. And akong bed. I guess mo na siya ang part sa computer. There's another computer over there. And nagkanda ko computer dali actually, guys. And then, look. Oh my goodness. Ang mga banga ni Mama. There. Oh my God. Nanapay gas ko dito, guys. Oh my God, ang mga plates. Ang mga purple. Daghan pa kayo. Among CR dito. Among biguanan. Napay gas ko, guys. Oh. Napay gas ko. Muna among second sala here. And that one used to be our internet shop. Bike sa akong anak. Among oven. Among... Oh my God, among... ang kuranan, bahay pa din sa akong anak. And mangbugas, sunog. Ano ang usa ka sala ko diri ang among TV.
Ito gipicture ako ito.
Kana tingali na siya. And there are so many books here sa una. Diri. Mga plato ni mama. Ano sa cabinet. Wala na. This used to be my mom's store. Akong aircon na wantang na. Init pa kay diri guys. Among signal. Ulihan kay mga. This is it. Lagi. Ang motor sa akong manghon guys. Na. Bye bye motor. Balay sa akong lola.
Bugko-butupon. Yung speaker ni...
Ang among kapilya guys, which should supposedly be celebrating our second patron saint's fiesta celebration. That's gonna be tomorrow on the 16th. Yeah, another bike here. And wala ng mga santos. Here. Wala na dyan. Di may kaagi trap. See? Balay sa kong lola guys. Balay na nila tanan dira. Balay sa akong uncle. Na. Among mansanitas. Ang mga plants ni mama wala na tanan, ang mga bikes wala na. Ang gasol balay sa akong manghod. Ang ref nga. Ang ref nahimo na lang siya glata. Balay sa akong lola. Kung auntie. Balay sa akong manghod guys. Nalimpyo na lagi ni diri. Oh, balay sa akong uncle. Balay sa akong usa ka auntie. Balay sa akong lola. Balay sa akong auntie dito guys. This is already a ghost town. Hadlok mo tamusod. Huh? Ano siya guys. This used to be our computer shops here. See, dagan kayo siya mga na-damage ng mga computers. Mga CPUs, monitors, wala na siya guys. Tindahan ni mama guys, wala na, upaw. Nag-live ka ba? Wala uy. See? Entrance of our house. Our first sala. Yeah. And my room. Guys, we've got another delivery here from my Stipple family. Stipple family, thank you so much for your kindness, especially to our families in these trying times. This is by Lala Move. Thank you so much, Andrea Tan, for organizing this, for collecting all the items, all the donations, and it reached to my families and to all of our relatives. We'll be distributing this one tomorrow. Thank you so much, Stipple family, for all of your kindness. May God bless us all. Hi guys! So these are my families here. We're not actually complete. So we would like to say thank you. In behalf of all my family members, we would like to say thank you for all the sponsors, for all who donated us who were victims of fire calamity last Sunday. So we are very much thankful for all of you guys who donated, especially in these trying times that we encountered. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you, thank you, thank you. Say thank you!